Morning friends, today we are going to make a complete machine elements, different machine elements. First you can see this is a pin which is having a cylindrical shaft having the cylindrical shank and a approximately spherical top. This pin will go into the bushing which is having the inner diameter 20 mm and outer diameter 26 mm. The inner diameter is, you can see, it is approximately equals to the phi is equals to 20, so that it can go inside this bushing. That's why it's 20 mm outer diameter, 27 depth. This depth is having the 25. Okay, so it's still 2 mm will be out, will we go here. Okay, then you can see this bushing with this pin will go inside this wheel, and this will go inside the wheel. You can see that its outer diameter is 26 and its inner diameter is 26, and when all these three will go together here, and you can observe this is the taper pin which will go here, so the same hole is made here. So this hole they have not depicted here at what height, so that you have to get it from here, that is the 6 mm. Okay, so we are going to make this one. So first, how to we are going to make this one, so that let's see how we are going to make one by one. This already you know how we are using. We are going to use the Revolve tool here. How we are going to use the Revolve tool here? You know that this is a cylinder. We can just make a rectangle. Okay, the rectangle of having the dimension of 6 into of 33. Similarly, for this also we will make a rectangle. This is rectangle of 10 into of 27, 10 into 10 into of 27. This will be a 27, and then we have to draw the one of 20 mm of radius. Over that we have to just made a spherical radius pin. Okay, this we will revolve 360 degree, then we can made it this one. Similarly for the bushing for that we can make the two circle, and then we can expand it or we can pull it off the 25 mm. This we will make it in a similar fashion, similar rectangular blocks, these, and we are going to pull it about these axes, sorry, revolve about these axes. Like this we can make a different element. So let's see, and we can draw this one. The dimensions that you have to find out, because it's very easy. You can see we will draw it. When you will draw it from here, you can see that this is of 13 mm, the inner is 13 mm, so this distance is from here to here 13 mm. Then this small rectangle is 37 minus 26, that is 11, divided by of 2, that is 5.5. So this is 5.5. The height is 25 mm. Like this you can find all of these things. Now we are going to draw the same thing. First we have to go for select the XY plane. When we are selecting the XY plane, we have click it here, click it here. Okay, then what we have to do first, as I explained you, we are going to first draw the pin. Okay, for drawing the pin, but we have gone in the sketch, we took the rectangle. In the rectangle, but we have gone in the rectangle. We have the pin dimension is 6, tab 33, press enter. Then scroll your mouse, you can increase or decrease the size of the figure. Then the shank portion of the pin is having the diameter 20, so I'm using the 10. Tab is 27, then press enter. Then we know that there is a top spherical cover is there, which is having a diameter 40, so radius 20. And we know this is having, they have mentioned there that it is having the length, this is having the length, diameter is of 40 and the top radius is 22. So this line should be of 22. This line should be of 22. So this is coming here, so that we don't know that Control Z. We want this, actually this will want the 22. Okay, this came the 22. Then what we can take a circle here, we can take in the center there when we are saying it, that it should be like this. Okay, this radius is actually 22. Okay, now we can go here, we can remove. Okay, if you will remove this part, then you can know it will remove that also. So just gone there. Now you know we have made this. After making this, we are going in the 3D portion, and what we have to do with this, we have to use the pull tool, we have to use the revolve. It is asking select an axis, it is asking select one or more faces. I am control 1, control 2, control 3, 3 face, enter the press the space bar, then this will come. You have to press how much degree you have to rotate it, revolve it. I put the 360, then you can see that my pin has formed. So I'm going here, I'm saying rename it with the name pin. Okay, I have not put the hole here which was available there. I'm putting it into a move to new component with the name pin. Okay, and just I'm saying it, hide it. Now I am going for the again new design sketch mode in the XY plane. I'm always like to make in the XY plane. Okay, XY plane, I'm click it here, and you know that what actually I'm going to do. Now I'm going to make the bush. The bush we have rotate in the, that is in the, if you know that the pin we have make in the XY plane, and when we make it in XY plane, then it has rotated in the Z plane actually. Okay, so if we will make it in the XZ plane, then it will be easy for us. Okay, XZ plane, in the XZ plane we are going for the circle. For the bush is having the inner diameter of 20, enter. The outer diameter is how much? 26. And just we are going to make it solid. Then we are here, we are making it delete. After delete, we have click it here. We are saying the pull tool of how much? We are saying it of how much? Of 25 mm length. This is of 25 mm length. This bushing is ready. We are going to rename it bushing, bushing. Okay, in bushing, then we have gone to move to new component, bushing. Okay, then again I'm going to hide it. Then again now I have to go to make the wheel. Okay, for the wheel also I'm going to make the XZ plane. In the XZ plane I'm going again sketch mode in the XZ plane. Okay, I'm not going in the XZ plane. I am going in the XY plane again. Why I am going the XY plane? Because again I want to revolve. Okay, how I want to revolve? This is my line from the center. This is my reference line. From my reference line, what I am going to do, from my reference line I know the dimension for the wheel is of how much? That is 5.5 to 13. Okay, 5.5 to 5.5 to 25, sorry. So I'm going from here, that is a 13 mm from here. Okay, but I don't want the line here. Actually, I want the circle. So I want the rectangle, and from where I want it, actually I want at 13 mm. Okay, just go from here. I should make the rectangle at 13 mm from here. And what is the dimension of this rectangle? That is a 5.5 tab 25. Okay, and we know this is the center line. We know we need this center line. We can draw. Okay, we need the center line, so just we draw it like as it is. Now from this center line, actually we have to make a web is there, which is having the 25 mm of length is there and 6 mm of height is there. So I'm again saying the rectangle, we are saying the shift, we are saying the 3 mm. Okay, that is 0 tab 3. When I'm going here, then I'm again asking the dimension. I know this, I have to take 25, then I have to in tab I have to put the 6, I have to put the enter. Then what I have to do, from this line I have to make of how much? 25, the top. So means to say this is also the 25. So this line is clear. Okay, height is 25, but what will be the length of this one? This is of 5, tab 25. Okay, now you can go and you can delete this if you want. Then you can delete the construction line. You can delete this construction line. Okay, I have deleted that construction line also, but that delete is not required. Then I'm doing the pull, the revolve. This one, this is saying when you click the revolve, select an axis to rotate about. Then I select this axis, and these are the faces. Then I'm pressing the enter. It is asking how much degree I want to revolve. Then you can see these things are ready. Okay, now this is my what? This is my wheel, new component, and I'm saying this is wheel. Okay, and now I want to put all the things together. Oh, nice things. Can you see? Actually, just I'm going in the bush, properties of the bush. I'm just changing the color of the bush. Okay, I change the color of the bush. Now pen, now the wheel. Now you can see. Okay, and after that, if you will go in the design, there is a in the display, in the design there is a option for in the assembly there is an option for align. This is already align orient component, so that the selected element are of the same dimensions. So I'm saying orient on align. Tangent is a much better option. I'm saying this touch to this one. This will go, this will touch this part. And we know we don't want this. What we want? We want this pin. Sketch, move. This pin should be 2 mm upward. Okay, 2 mm. What happened? Just Control Z. It okay. First of all, these things. Now I have click on the pin and I am saying the 2 mm. Acha, when it is going 2 mm, so sorry. Control Z. Actually, I have to press it there. That is minus 2 mm. Why the minus 2 mm is also showing the problem? Control Z. Z. Okay, this is here. I'm saying that this should be the tangent to this one. And this, okay, actually when I the tangent to this one, then if I'm moving the pin, the whole bracket is going to be moved there. Okay, so now I'm removing the tangent. Okay, I have removed the tangent, then I'm saying the move pin. Okay, now you can see we have to aware all of these things. Okay, now you can see this 2 mm pin is moved upward and these are just perfectly aligning it here. Okay, now we can draw the other part also what is given in the query. So I'm again going and I'm saying okay, hide all the things. In sketch mode we have gone, in design, in sketch mode we have come here. Then again you can think that we have all the geometry in the XY, so we are going to again revolve, or what? We are not going to revolve, then we are not going to revolve, then we are going to XZ plane. Okay, in the XZ plane what we are going to do, circle of how much? Circle of radius of how much? That is the 38. 38 is of outer, inner is of how much? The 12 mm. 12 mm, and we know this tangential dimension is of how much? This is of 95, not exactly 95, it is approximately of 85. It is of 85. I'm not sure from here, so I'm saying again 85. And this is 85 here. Okay, this is again 85 here. Okay, after making this 85, okay, making this 85 here, we know there will be the some radius is there which is going there, but we should know how much dimension of all of that things are available there. Okay, so that dimension, for going to that dimension, what we can do, that is a 12 mm is there, and how much dimension is a 48. Forty-eight 12, and now there will be a circle from this center line. From this center line, first you have to mark one of how much arc that is required of 45. Then what you have to do, you have to go from here, then you have to draw this circle actually. Okay, then go in the trim point, then trim this part, trim this part, trim this part, trim this part, trim this, trim this, and actually there is a 3 mm hole gap was there. So that you have to make from here to here, you have to make 3 mm. I don't know what are the dimension I have took. Okay, you can take it 3 mm there. Similarly, you can make it here also. But the best thing is there. I'm saying the mirror. Select mirror plane. I'm saying this one, this one. Okay. Then I'm going to delete the remaining portion. Okay, now I'm going to 3D mode. In the when I'm going the 3D mode, I know that this thing is not required, then delete it. Then we have reached here. Then I'm saying that on the both the side, then I'm saying how much is the length of that one, that is a 30 mm. Then I'm saying the 30 mm. Then I'm saying of this one of how much, this one is of 7.5 mm. Okay, actually I have done the mistake here. I have to draw the line here so that I can make this also the solid, but now that's not a problem. And I'm not going to make the below part, that you can just project it from here to here, the one rib, and the other things you can project one by one. Okay, if you want that, but I'm not going exact up to the dimension. That dimensions you can go view like this. Then you can go the rectangular part, you know that this is, that part is there. Then from here you can go of approximately 30 to 60, 30 tab 60. Okay, 30 tab 60, and in there is an option for arc design. Okay, there is an option, the arc option is there. Okay, that is just, that will ask you the radius, so that is available here, that is the 25 mm radius was available, 25 mm radius was available. Then there was a one hole here that you can go appropriately, because I'm just making the rough. Now I'm going in the mirror. I'm saying this is the mirror plane. I'm saying this. Select the body to be mirrored. Okay, so first of all, I'm saying mirror, then this is asking for the axis. I'm saying the select mirror plane. I'm selecting this plane. Select the body to be mirrored. So body to be, okay, first of all, I'm going to say the mirror. A mirror, it is saying selecting the mirror plane. Okay, when I'm selecting this, it is not selecting it. Okay, means to say I have to select the plane. Okay, then I have to come out from the drawing to select the plane. So let's see, that's not a problem. We can make it outside also. Okay, delete this part. Okay, delete this part. Then here you can extrude this part, extrude up to here. like this. Okay. Oh, I have done a one mistake. Okay, first I'm going to mirror. Mirror, in the mirror I'm just actually mirror plane is not good here actually. Okay, before doing the mirror I can say you why the mirror plane is not good here, because this is not a separate body. If I will use this plane to mirror here, this body is there, so the software is having the problem whether it should to mirror here to here, or nothing is there which is he has to mirror it here. So let's see what it will do. Mirror, it will say select the plane, mirror plane. I'm saying the mirror. Okay, then it has mirrored it as it is. But do you think the problem is what? This time you are seeing whatever the thing is there, because nothing was here, that has he has mirrored it here. So this has not got a much problem, otherwise the problem created. Okay, I am saying the pull up to here, pull up to here. Okay, so that bracket is there. Solid, solid, solid. Okay, that has actually mirrored. I'm going to combine. Mission failed because the faces and edges could combine in a way that, okay. That's not a big problem for us. Now, can we say if we want to see whole body together? Oh, is we make the wrong part. Okay, first of all, we don't want these planes. Shift, delete. We know this is like this. This must be like this. But we are hiding this one till this part is not required presently. Not required. We will understand it. Now, we know actually this part must touch this part. Okay. Or we will show the other way, means to say I'm just showing this way, or you can just move this part. Solid, move. You can see this will go here and it will be reside here. Okay, but how much we don't know, so we are just putting Control Z. We are not touching anything, and we are saying that assembly tangent, this part should be the tangent to this part. Okay, can you see the drawing? Okay, like this we can enjoy it. Okay, like this we can enjoy it. Can we go in section drawing sheet? In the drawing sheet, this is there. Okay, if you will see it from the top, it will be like this, cross section. Select a drawing view to turn it into a cross section. I want to turn it cross section. At here I want to sectional view. Can I see my cross sections? Okay. See, man, what's the problem is there. This is a see the problem with the software. This is have cut the pen also. That is not the correct thing. This one And actually, what is there? What the things, what we are missing it here? Actually, we have put it the wrong tangent. We have put it that tangent to there, this tangent to there. Actually, this part is tangent to here. Okay. So let's go and rectify it. Design 1, drawing 1, solid, pin. Why it is not showing the tangent figures here? Solid. Okay. In sketch mode, in assembly mode, icon in assembly mode, tangent. I'm saying this is tangent to, sorry. I'm saying tangent. I'm saying this is tangent to this part. Okay, actually previously I have made it tangent, but it is not showing that tangent it here. So first I have to remove that tangency from there. Okay, first I am moving the solid. Okay, now what I am saying? Tangent. I'm saying tangent. This part, this part must be tangent here. Okay, this must be here. That I want actually, but actually when we are doing the tangent or any operation, actually that is coming here. Okay, but actually I have not bring it from separately from other bodies, so I think it is not showing the tangent it here. Okay, let's see. Select all conditions. Now I'm going in the drawing sheet. Okay, when I reach to the drawing sheet, you can see here this is the pin, this is the bush, this is the wheel, and this is the lower portion, and here there should be some hole should be there which I have missed. Okay, can I go there back? First I'm going and I'm saying please can you change the property of this. I'm saying I want it a blue, dark blue. If you want to draw a hole there, you can draw it. Okay, if you can go, just go in the pin, okay, in the pin you can select this plane, you can select this plane, sketch. In the sketch mode is there actually. Okay, or instead of doing like this, what we can do, we can go first design a plane. We can say okay, just the jet. Okay, we can go and sketch on this plane. Is this plane is at the center? No, wait, this plane is at the center, no? So design sketch mode on this plane. This is at the center. The distance from the base is 9 mm. Shift 9 mm. What happened? I used the circle. I used the wrong circle. So 6 mm. Okay. The 6 mm gap is there. Now go and use the pull tool. In the pull tool, use the cut. Cut. Now we are not able to see that surface. So what we can do, we are saying that this is a pin, this is on both sides, this is the cut. Okay, this is the pin, cut both sides. Okay, then you can see the cut has came, and this cut has came. You can delete this plane, and you can say I want to see all part. When you want to see all part, then you can go and see in the drawing section. You can see this is as it is, what you made it there. Okay, like this you can do many other things. So this is enough for this video. Thank you.